All right, we got a new ChatGPT model out. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk to it and see if it did a better job than Claude. And we're going to use my new permissionless value proposition. And we're specifically going to use this framework to see if we can send a message someone would pay to receive. So let's start here. What I want you to do is I want you to give me hyper growth B2B vertical SaaS companies, which means that they only sell into one industry, one persona, and give me ones that have been funded a lot, that are super legit and solve a real pain point. These should be real actual companies, and give me summaries of each of them. All right, so we're just going to start by asking. You have to be on the pro tier to do this, which is, by the way, deep research is now available to anyone. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's so good. Okay, good. Wow, so fast. Construction center, trunk tools, data management. Don't like that. Better cloud, don't like that. Startup studio. No, give me 10 options that are more about like for pool, like for large markets that are not technology, that are not selling into technology. I don't know. I didn't talk. I just typed. I'm trying to get into typing again. I stopped typing for a long time. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay. Actually, I worked at Procore, a great company. Life sciences, cloud-based for the. Okay, I like this. Service Max is good. I know a little bit about that. That facilitates seamless logistics and supply chain. I don't know anything about that. So let's actually do something that I don't know anything about, so that Clio. Okay. Let's talk. What I want you to do is summarize absolutely everything about Clio's ICP persona, their case studies, what their customers say. I want you to go into a painful amount of detail. I think also one of the reasons that I still do talk, but these models are getting really, really good, and this is great. Okay. I've got 10 more minutes, so I'm going to try to do the permissionless value prop for these folks. Let's talk to 4.5. You are in a competition with another amazing large language model, a Claude Sonnet 3.7, but I have high hopes for you. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a permissionless value proposition for this company at the company level. And let me talk to you about what I mean. A permissionless value prop is something where there is pain, so highly correlated with the actual problem that a company is struggling with. B, there is public data about this, so public data that associates with the pain. And C, there is product. It's related to the product. So if it's pain in public and it's not related to what this company can do, I'm not interested in it. You also can make some assumptions about some internal data that they have, where they can send a message to someone based on the combination of 3 to 5 unique factors that, when combined, could tell them something incredibly useful. What I want you to do is I want you to give me 10 ideas that, combining these sort of 3 to 5 factors, again, that are highly related to the pain that the company solves, involve public data or inferred private data that this company may have, and are very related to the product. Okay, let's see how ChatGPT 4.5 does. It's kind of funny that, like, Claude's like, oh, 3.7. Like, I don't think there's any product marketers at any of these SaaS companies. They just are randomly throwing out 3.751, low, high, haiku, opus. It's like, what? How are people? I mean, I work in this thing and I don't even know. All right. So this is supposed to be able to write better too. I have found that Claude Sonnet 3.7 is amazing at this. Okay. Oh. This is not good. I mean, this is not bad, but it's not good. They're not. See, here's the thing. How are you going to know average revenue delay? You're not going to know this. I mean, this message is not bad, but wow, ChatGPT 4.5 is slow. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually dump this whole prompt into Claude Sonnet. Sonnet, we want extended thinking. Run the... Oh, actually, here's what I should do. I should copy everything except my prompt. I don't know exactly how Claude does this, but I should X this out, paste this in, and then grab the prompt. You are in a... I should change with another ChatGPT 4.5. But I have high hopes for you. Okay. Yeah, I changed the enemy. Doug always... Let's see. Oh, industry standard error rates. Not happy. Maybe. This is actually really... DOT compliance sources. That actually is really interesting. One of your major carriers indicates future shipment delays, risking a 10% customer churn. This is really cool. That's really cool. Stockouts due to poor inventory. This might be interesting. Competitor stock availability from public e-commerce platforms. Yeah, that's cool. Let's see what Claude comes up with. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, look at this. This is so good. Claude's so much better. Your Kansas City shipments have a 78% of missing outlets due to forecasted storms and increased port congestion. Switch these 5 trading to real-time API integration now to migrate risk. That's crazy. You have to ping this against real-world knowledge because this bullshit is incredible. Average industry, hate it. New trading partner, you're adding partners 40% faster than last year with the same resources. Maybe interesting. Yeah. That's really interesting. Upcoming regulatory changes is really interesting. Triple compliance within 90 days. Your current integration are compatible. That's crazy. I wonder if we could do this. So you can kind of see here current data format, maybe. So you can kind of see the permissionless value prop is really interesting because it's not, it's really about connecting your internal data, which I'm building a tool to do, to the model's amazing ability to be creative and then operationalizing that. And if you can do those 3 things, you can send an email that someone would pay to receive. This doesn't work for every industry in every case. It doesn't. It just doesn't. And in my course, I am going to talk about how to think about the structure behind this. I have a really beautiful framework because this is hard to then take into action. But this should give you an idea about what is possible with permissionless value props and how really you can use AI. And the thing is, again, public data, Evan Dunn. Evan Dunn helped me come up with this framework. Public data, it has to be about the pain you solve, and public data, pain you solve. What was the third? I always forget this. Evan and I went over it. Public data, the pain. Oh, it has to be related to the product. Those 3 things. Has to be related to your product. Has to be painful. Has to be public data or data that you have. If you can find the intersection of those 3 things. Money, 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 money. All right, thanks so much for watching again. I've been putting out videos. My life has been a little more insane. I'm going to Chili Palooza this Monday to Wednesday. If you're in Arizona, if you're in Phoenix, let me know. Would love to say hello. Thanks for watching. You could spend your day in any number of ways, and Ubuntu, I am because you are. So thanks for allowing me this life to do this. I couldn't be more grateful. My AI agent course, $299, is on sale now. It's not on sale. You can buy it. It's the same price it's always been. It'll never change. And then I do have some slots available for my $1,000 who to target, what to say, but it's 75% done. It's going to be $1,000. It's going to be the same price when I release it, so you can wait. I'll probably work on the plane. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Unfortunately, GPT 4.5, much more impressed with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. I do like ChatGPT, but pretty impressed with what Sonnet's done. Bye.